Good morning, students. I hope you have enjoyed your break. So, let's continue our work. We are going to start our second lesson of civics. First, we have already done, and the name of the second lesson is Role of the Government in Health. In a democracy, people expect government to work for their welfare. This could be through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, or development of roads, electricity, etc. In this chapter, we shall examine the meanings and the problems related to health. Look at the subheadings of this chapter. In what ways do you think the topic is related to the work of the government? So as you know that the in a democracy government plays very important role. Government provides us many facility like health facilities, road facility, water facility, electricity facilities. So basically in this chapter we are going to read about the role of the government in the health department. So what is health? For this, firstly we come to know about that what is health. We can think health in many ways. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But health is not only about the disease. You may have associated only some of the situation in above collage with. You can see the collage, it is given here, and you can relate with this. So, what we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situation is related to health. So, how the picture is related to health? You can see the water is there. Water means if we are getting the fresh water, then it means we will remain safe, fit. We will not get the disease which spread by the water. So, apart from disease, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. For example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. On the other hand, if people do not get adequate food to eat or have to live in cramped condition, they will be prone to illness. So there you can say the environment is also responsible for that. If we are having the clean environment, pure air, clean water we are drinking, fresh food we are eating, that means we are living a healthy life. But if we are not getting the adequate food, we are not getting the adequate nourishment, so that means somewhere we are weak inside or we are prone to illness also. So if we are getting all thing in a sufficient manner, in a proper manner, that it means we are healthy. So all of us would like to be active and in good spirits in whatever we may be doing. Isn't healthy to be dull, inactive, anxious, or scared for long stretches of time? We all need to do be without mental strain. All of these various aspects of our lives are a part of health. So this is the clear to you that what is the health. So discuss the try to do this two question also which is given here, and try to read this two pages also.